Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Potter and this is the Vintage Underground. So an update on the Jaguar XJ Coupe. It's been out with James and Luke, and I think I've said in previous videos this is not a roll cage type structure. Its sole intent is to stiffen the car. These cars move a lot and I don't want it to. I want it to be a stiff chassis. This is not a race car. This is a street car. But I want it to handle a certain way, and this is what we're doing to get that feel and drive from it. James and Luke have the core structure in. They're working on the side structure just above the door sill, as well as the structure across the back, so just behind the rear seat. It also comes around in the front, and you can see on the dash we have bars going across, tying it together at the front. This wasn't on the original plan, but once we got going and we realized we were going to just have another weak point, so we decided to tie them together behind the dash at the A-pillar as well. This will all be behind the dashboard, so you won't see any of that. As a bonus, it also provides us a really solid mount for the steering. The steering column mount on these Jags in this era are fine for street and whatnot, but they're a little bit weak, frankly, and we modified the steering column quite a bit, obviously, to incorporate the electric steering. In doing so, we have perhaps put a little bit more load on it. So the structure there now behind the dashboard allows us to mount the column directly to that, so really secure and solid mount. He's also gone through into the engine compartment, so from the A-pillar forward down to the frame rails. And you can see he's got that in place. That's tacked in place now. It's not permanent yet. And actually there's probably 50–60% of it that is finish welded, and the rest of it is still tacked up. Once we have this done, it'll come back into our shop, and we'll start basically assembling the car for the first phase. So really looking forward to this being done, and we're almost there. It's coming out really awesome and just incredible work by Luke and James. Really impressed and excited to get it back in the shop. If you like these videos, please do like and subscribe. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.